Okay, we're moving on to the third page here. I recopied it so I'd have a little bit more room. F of x is a function, 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 28x plus 15 is a polynomial, third degree. That means it can potentially have 3 zeros. And I'm telling you that negative 3 is one of the zeros. Find the other ones. This would be like without a calculator. You could plug it into your calculator and look at the graph and see where it crosses the x-axis. But let's try without our calculator here. If negative 3 is a 0, then x plus 3 is a factor, right? Because if I plug in negative 3 in there, that gives me 0. And that's sort of the definition of what a 0 is. All right, think about it, that anytime you know a 0, you know one of the factors. So I'm going to use polynomial long division to divide x plus 3 into my polynomial up there, 2x to the third minus 5x squared minus 28x plus 15. All right. Now to do that, I ask, what do I need to multiply x by to get exactly this? If I multiply by 2x squared, I multiply that by x, I get 2x to the third, and then I need to do this times both of these, so I get plus 6x squared. All right? I draw a line, I subtract just like in regular division, or I can change the signs and add. Negative 5 plus a negative 6 is minus 11x squared. Then I repeat the process. I say, what do I need to multiply x by to get negative 11x squared exactly? And it's going to be minus 11x. I multiply that times both of these, and I'll get then minus 33x. Forgot to carry this down, but I'll do that now. Minus 28x right there. I draw a line, I change the signs, and I add. It cancels as always, and I get 5x. Bring this down, and I get plus 15. And you'll see now I multiply x by 5 to give me 5x. When I multiply that times 3, I get plus 15. And when I change the signs and add, I get 0. So this is what multiplies by x plus 3. Okay, I can then take this and I can factor this. I can go through the usual factoring procedure and say, well, the only way to get 2x squared is 2x and x. The only way to multiply and make 5 is 1 and 5, or 1 and 5 like that. Well, the rainbow check will sort it out for me. I need to get 11. So 2 times 5 will give me 10, and x times 1 will give me 1 more for 11. And I'm going to have it be minus and minus. So it becomes minus 1 and minus 5. All right? So my factors then are x plus 3, 2x minus 1, and x minus 5. My zeros then are going to be negative 3 as I knew. In this case it's going to be 1/2. When I set that equal to 0 and solve, 1/2 times 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. And then positive 5. Okay? There are my 3 zeros. Good luck.